This is problem 3-15, and it says evaluate the following expressions given the values below. So below are the expressions AB plus BC plus AC, and it gives us values for A, B, and C. So remember, the word evaluate means that we're supposed to substitute the values for the variables into the expression and then use order of operations to do the math and figure out what the value is. So let's go ahead and do A. So I'm going to rewrite that first, 3-15A. And the original expression is AB plus BC plus AC. And now below that, I'm going to rewrite the variable, but with parentheses, and I'm going to put the value in. So A is 2, B is 5, and C is 3. So I'll just go through and put these values in. A, we go back to 2, and C, we go back to 3. Okay, so now with order of operations, and remember we use PEMDAS to help us remember what the order of operations is, and that's from left to right. So parentheses first, exponents, and then multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. So, of course, we have these parentheses here, but there's nothing else going on inside the parentheses except one number. So we don't have to worry about that. We have no exponents. So let's do the multiplication or division. Here we've got two numbers multiplied together, 2 times 5, and then 5 times 3, and then 2 times 3. Okay, so now that we've done the multiplication, we can add them all up. 10 plus 15 is 25, plus 6 is going to be 31. So there's our answer to A. And then B, we'll give that a little space. B is 20 minus x squared. So 20 minus x squared over y minus x. Y minus x. All right, so let's substitute the values we'll first rewrite 20. And then x is going to be a -2, and that's squared. And then y is 6, and then we've got -2 below. Okay, so in this case, we do have parentheses and there's something going on. So in front of the parentheses, there's a negative sign. And as we know from our work with the algebra tiles, whenever we have parentheses with a negative sign in front of it, that means that whatever value is inside of it, we're going to have to flip the sign when we get rid of the parentheses. Okay, but before we do that, which is basically an addition and subtraction operation, we have to take care of our exponent. So it's the second one there. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So we've got a -2, and -2 times a -2 is a +4. So let's just rewrite this below. 20 minus, and we're going to write a +4. Right, so that's what was in the parentheses, and we've resolved the exponent, and so now we can just rewrite what we put below, 6 minus -2. Okay, so now we need to look at what's going on with the parentheses. So this will just be 20 minus 4. So let's go ahead and just write that, 20 minus 4. And then below, we will need to resolve this first. So we're going to flip the negative 2. So this will be 6 plus a positive 2. Okay, so now we can just do the math on the top and on the bottom. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16, and 6 plus 2 is 8. And so now we can actually divide 16 by 8. 8 goes into 16 twice, and so we're left with a 2.